Hello everyone, friends! In this video, we will examine the Tecno Spark Go 2024 series in depth. Disclosing a spending plan cordial jewel, the Tecno Spark Go 2024, sent off on 17th of November 2023, stands apart with its great elements and execution. From a dynamic presentation to a strong battery, we should plunge into the subtleties that pursue this cell phone a convincing decision. The Tecno Spark Go 2024 made its introduction on 17th November 2023, catching consideration with its commitment of moderateness and striking elements. Situated as a spending plan, well-disposed cell phone, it meant to reclassify the assumptions for clients in the passage level portion. The gadget flaunts a 90Hz revive rate on an extensive 6.60-inch touchscreen show, offering a goal of 1612 by 720 pixels HD+. The plan is smooth with aspects estimating 163, 75/60 is 8.55mm. Accessible in gravity dark and secret white tones, the Spark Go 2024 presents itself as a trendy and current cell phone. Camera, outfitted with a 13-megapixel back camera, the Tecno Spark Go 2024 commitments respectable photography capacities in sufficiently bright circumstances. For selfies, the 8-megapixel front camera guarantees fresh and clear pictures. While not meaning to rival leader camera frameworks, the Spark Go 2024 conveys acceptable outcomes affordable enough for its accommodating reach. Performance controlled by the Unisoc T606 processor and supported by 4GB of SLAM, the Spark Go 2024 guarantees smooth execution for everyday errands. The 128GB interior stockpiling gives adequate space to applications, media, and documents. Running on Android 13 Go version with iOS 13, the gadget offers an improved and easy-to-use interface. Battery size. One of the champion highlights of the Spark Go 2024 is its powerful 5000 mAh non-removable battery. This significant limit takes special care of the necessities of clients who focus on broadened utilization without continually agonizing over re-energizing. Cost. As of 10th December 2023, the Tecno Spark Go 2024 is seriously valued at Rs 6,999 in India. This reasonable sticker price makes it an appealing choice for clients looking for a dependable cell phone without burning through every last cent. Guaranteeing consumer loyalty past the buy, Tecno accomplishes with Carl Care for after-deal administrations. With an emphasis on quality fixes and client care, Carl Care gives inward feeling of harmony to ignite Go 2024 clients. The joint effort incorporates certified parts, straightforward valuing, and helpful fix reservations to upgrade the general post-buy insight. The Flash Go 2024 offers a scope of network choices, including Wi-Fi, GPS, USB OTG, USB Type-C, and FM radio. Moreover, the gadget highlights fundamental sensors like a unique finger impression sensor and gyrator, improving both security and client experience. The Tecno Flash Go 2024 effectively consolidates moderateness with excellent highlights, making it a critical competitor in the passage-level cell phone market. With its dynamic presentation, dependable execution, and a significant battery, the Flash Go 2024 stands as an appealing choice for thrifty buyers. Find a universe of network readily available with the Tecno Flash Go 2024. From quick Wi-Fi associations with exact GPS route, flexible Bluetooth abilities, and present-day USB Type-C help, this cell phone guarantees you stay flawlessly associated in each part of your advanced life. With USB in a hurry, OTG usefulness, you can grow your gadget's capacities further. Also partake in your #1 radio broadcasts in a hurry with the underlying FM highlight. The Flash Go 2024 goes past network, consolidating clever sensors, for example, a finger impression, sensor for secure access, and a whirligig for upgraded movement detecting. Together, these highlights make a far-reaching and enhancing versatile experience, raising the manner in which you associate and connect with your gadget. Venture into the core of the Tecno Flash Go 2024's equipment ability, where the Unisoc T606 processor, 4GB of SLAM, and an extensive 128GB interior interior stockpiling merge to convey an outstanding client experience. The UnisOC T606 processor guarantees quick performing various tasks and responsiveness, flawlessly supplemented by the liberal smash limit. With an open inward stockpiling of 128 GB, the Flash Go 2024 offers more than adequate space for your applications, media, and records. This unique blend makes way for a gadget that meets as well as surpasses the assumptions for spending plan cordial cell phones. Investigate the maximum capacity of your gadget with an equipment design that adjusts power and productivity, guaranteeing smooth execution across the entirety of your everyday errands. We have come to the end of another video, friends. You can comment what you think about this phone. Have a nice day.